Welcome to Secret Food Diary. Hi guys, this is Secret Food Diary or Butchie Food Vlogs. Ito, umorder ako ng ating steamer. Nag-unboxing tayo ngayon. Ito, ayan, binilisan ko na para pasensya na kayo sa mga kaguluhan sa aking desk. Pero ito na yan, it's a stainless steel steamer. Ayan, pwede siyang lutuan ng siopaw, siomay, isda, pwedeng lapu-lapu, pwedeng mga vegetables, and you can cook and steam as you like. O ayan, dalawang party siya. So, it's really good. So, ayan na. At one thing about this is very healthy. It's less oil. Ayan, at maganda naman masubukan natin kung paano magluto sa steamer kasi gusto kong maka-experience na magluto ng mga siomay. Okay, so ito na siya. Ayan, maganda yan. It's stainless steel. Ayan, at yung cover niyan talagang lapat na lapat lang. Dalawang parts yan eh. Yung isa sa ilalim, pwede mo magluto ng mga vegetables, pwede mo pakuluan pagkatapos sa ibabaw, and you can put whatever you like. You can put fish, you can put beef, chicken, whatever you like, as kung anong gusto nyo lutuin. At maganda to, steam. So, okay. Ito na siya. Alright. Okay, siya nga pala, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to put comments down below, and to share if you like to share this video. Thank you so much for everyone that makes this channel possible to make it to 104. Ayan, para sa ating silver. Thank you po. God bless you. Remember, God makes all things possible. And we'll see you on the next video as we continue to vlog. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa channel na to. God bless you again. Bye-bye.